Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Milwaukee 18V battery and charger is probably one of the most essential power tool accessories a DIYer or professional can own, offering unparalleled cordless freedom and consistent power delivery to keep your tools running at peak performance, ensuring that your projects are completed efficiently and without interruption, making it a cornerstone of any serious toolkit for demanding jobs. Number 5. Worthmah 2-pack 5.0 Ah 18V replacement batteries for Milwaukee M18. Experience the power you need with these high-capacity 5.0 Ah batteries. They are designed to provide extended runtime, ensuring your tools keep going as long as you do. These batteries offer universal Featuring advanced BMS technology, these batteries prevent overcharging and overdischarging. This protects both the battery and your tools, ensuring longevity and safety. Constructed with high-strength plastic and certified for safety, these batteries are built to last. They have undergone rigorous testing, including a 1.5 amp drop test, and offer multiple protection features. Easily monitor your battery levels with the integrated LED indicators. This allows you to recharge them in a timely manner, minimizing downtime. Enjoy reliable and stable power output, even for demanding applications. These batteries are designed for high power discharge, delivering up to 15C capability for sustained performance. We stand behind our product with a 3-year after-sales service and 24/7 customer support. If you have any questions or concerns, we are here to assist you. What we like. This battery pack offers high power discharge, making it ideal for tools that require sustained high output. Its universal compatibility ensures it works with all your existing M18 tools and chargers. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance battery solution that won't break the bank, this is a great option. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting longer than expected for demanding tasks. The charger is fast and efficient, fully charging the battery in under an hour. The compact design of the battery makes it easy to handle and maneuver in tight spaces. Number 4. 3.0 Ah 18V 2PK replacement for Milwaukee M18 battery with charger. Experience longer working sessions with our upgraded 3.0 Ah batteries. They provide extended capacity, ensuring you can get more done between charges. This package includes a multi-voltage charger compatible with all 18V Milwaukee M18 Lithium-Ion batteries. It's designed to keep your tools powered up efficiently. Our batteries are designed to work flawlessly with all tools in the M18 line. You can rely on them for consistent performance across your entire range of M18 products. Keep track of your remaining runtime with the integrated fuel gauge. This feature helps minimize downtime, allowing you to plan your work more effectively. Don't let extreme job site conditions slow you down. These batteries deliver fade-free power, ensuring reliable performance no matter the weather. Enjoy the perfect balance of compact size and increased power. This combination offers a superior solution for all your M18 tools. What we like. This kit includes extended capacity batteries and a multi-voltage charger, perfect for users who need to keep their tools running longer. The onboard fuel gauge helps you manage your runtime effectively. If you're a professional on a job site that demands all-weather performance and minimal downtime, this package is designed for you. What people say. Both batteries can fully charged and work perfectly. Works great, charges as it should. The fit on mine was really tight on the tools, took a good bit of force to get it on and off. For my usage, the batteries and charger are fine and a good value. Number 3. Milwaukee M12 M18 Multi-Voltage Lithium-Ion Battery Charger. Introducing the Milwaukee Multi-Voltage Charger. It's designed to power up both your M12 and M18 lithium-ion batteries, keeping you working longer. This charger provides efficient power delivery to get your tools back in action quickly. Spend less time waiting and more time getting the job done. Never guess your battery level again. The integrated fuel gauge shows you exactly how much charge is left, so you're always prepared. Whether you have M12 or M18 tools, this single charger handles them all. It's the versatile solution for your entire Milwaukee cordless system. Built with the rugged durability you expect from Milwaukee, this charger is made to withstand tough job site conditions. Rely on it for consistent performance. With its smart charging technology and convenient features, it ensures your Milwaukee batteries are always ready when you are. Maximize your productivity on any project. What we like. This charger is a versatile option, capable of charging both M12 and M18 batteries, which is a significant advantage if you use tools from both lines. The onboard fuel gauge on the charger itself is a convenient feature for quick checks. If you own a mix of Milwaukee M12 and M18 tools and need a single, reliable charger, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The 18V charger worked well. Perfect, charge speed is pretty quick. It's a quality product, it has worked very well for me, it charges my batteries very quickly. Number 2. Milwaukee M18 XC 5.0 Starter Kit. Introducing the Milwaukee M18 XC 5.0 Starter Kit. It's designed to optimize performance and provide overload protection through seamless communication between your tool, battery, and charger. Experience best-in-class construction that ensures long-lasting performance and durability. This power tool is built to withstand the demands of your toughest jobs. Never get caught off guard again. The integrated fuel gauge displays the remaining runtime, minimizing downtime and keeping you productive on the job. Don't let extreme conditions slow you down. It delivers fade-free power even in the harshest job site environments, ensuring reliable operation year-round. Looking for more? Add any M18 tool-only option to create your own customized kit. Tailor your tools to your specific needs and preferences. What we like. This starter kit provides optimized performance through intelligent system communication between the tool, battery, and charger, ensuring you get the most out of your equipment. Its best-in-class construction promises long-lasting durability. If you're building your M18 tool collection and want a robust, reliable battery and charger combo that offers excellent longevity, this kit is a solid foundation. What people say. The battery is excellent. You no longer need to worry about insufficient power. It also has strong power and is very convenient to install and remove in daily use. This starter kit is an absolute beast and provides significantly longer runtime compared to the standard compact batteries. The 5.0 Ah capacity is the sweet spot because it offers plenty of power for heavy-duty tools without making the drill feel too heavy or unbalanced. I'm impressed by the charger's speed, which gets me back to work quickly, and the built-in fuel gauge is super helpful for tracking remaining juice. The build quality is classic Milwaukee, rugged enough to survive being tossed around on a busy job site. This charger is handy because it has both slots for my M18 and M12 batteries, as I own both types of Milwaukee tools. It works quickly, and even my fully drained 5Ah M18 fuel battery recharges in about an hour. The smaller, lower amp-hour batteries charge very quickly, especially the 2.0Ah M12 fuel batteries. One thing to like about this charger is that it does not overcharge your batteries if you leave them in there after they are done charging. This Milwaukee charger goes into a float mode after the charging light turns green, and maintains the battery to full charge with low and periodic voltage. That is a nice feature. Number 1. Milwaukee M18 5.0 Battery 2-Pack Starter Kit. Introducing the Milwaukee M18 5.0 Battery 2-Pack Starter Kit. Get superior runtime and performance with two 5.0 Ah red lithium extended capacity batteries. These batteries are built tough. Advanced construction protects them from water damage and harsh job site conditions, ensuring reliability. An innovative design minimizes heat buildup. This means extended runtime and increased longevity for your power source. Enjoy seamless integration with all your Milwaukee M18 cordless power tools and chargers. It's designed to work perfectly with your existing setup. Experience maximum power output thanks to 18-volt lithium-ion technology. It's engineered for consistent performance on any job site. What we like. This kit features two 5.0 Ah red lithium batteries designed for superior runtime and performance, with advanced construction to protect against water and harsh conditions. The innovative design minimizes heat buildup, extending battery longevity. If you're a demanding user who needs extended runtimes and batteries that can withstand tough job site environments, these are the batteries for you. What people say. When charged, they hold power for ages. I used one battery to build a whole deck railing last weekend, drilling and screwing for hours, and it barely dipped below half. No more swapping out weak batteries mid-job. Lightweight but tough, and they fit snugly into my tools without any wobbling. Compared to some cheaper knockoffs I've tried before, these originals don't overheat or lose charge quickly. Con las herramientas de alto impacto funcionan correctamente y son lo máximo, durante todo el día la batería y se cargan super rápido. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.